You need to watch this if you love biscuits. Ever wondered how they get from dough to shelf? First, we start with the dough. Flour, sugar, butter. The holy trinity of biscuit magic. Mix it up, and you've got a gooey masterpiece ready to be molded. But wait! It's not just hand-scooped. We've got fancy machines for that. Next, into the oven they go. Picture this, a giant, cozy toaster filled with row upon row of future deliciousness. They bake until golden brown and crispy perfection achieved. Now it's time for the cool down. Imagine a mini roller coaster ride for biscuits. They zoom through cooling tunnels, say like tiny thrill seekers on a sugar high. Finally, it's packaging time. Each biscuit is lovingly tucked into its wrapper, and off they go to the store shelves, ready to meet their new best friend, you. So next time you nibble on a biscuit, remember the epic journey it took to get to your taste buds. Delicious, right?